It's windy out here. I think you need your jacket. Oh, you gonna put that back on? He says, like he's had a hard day or something. Have you had a hard day? You had a hard day working? What is that? Oh, that goes there?
Yeah.
He says, you had a hard day. What are you going to do with that? Is that your blower? Oh, you got to go kill some weeds? Is that what that's for?
I want to go right over there.
To do what?
Kill some weeds.
Kill some weeds? Okay. Okay. Sounds good. I think Papa fixed it for you.
Okay.
Oh, you're not going to put it on? He said he's going to go over there and kill some weeds.
Why are you recording everything?
Because I can. He's cute. Oh my gosh. Say, Papa, be careful. That'll come off. He's been going through the mud. I said, don't slow down. If you go through it, you got to go so you don't get stuck.